If you want to fix things, you got to show up as a person that want to fix things. Don't show up as a motherfucker that's just trying to get their point across. That's not going to fix nothing. It don't fix nothing. It don't fix nothing. It don't fix nothing. It don't fix nothing. Got into an argument with your mom, and what she said ain't sit right with you, and what you said to her ain't sit right with her. You know, like, that's your mom. Like, you want to work shit out. Despite that person's personality, because this affects it too. This is where it gets tough and builds character. Despite that person's personality, your next move gotta be with the intention of fixing it. If that's what you see fit is in your best interest. If it's not in your best interest and you think it's in your best interest to stay away from that person, whether it's your mom or whatever, you must have to do what you have to do. But you definitely want to go with the intentions of whatever your best interest is. And you don't have to have all the words right then and there, but the first things you say, it gotta express that intention to want to fix things. You want their attention on that. So the first thing you say is that's gonna get the people attention. You want your intentions to lead the conversation at all times. Even if you're in the middle of the conversation and you feel it's getting heated, you gotta and remember your intentions. This is how niggas get themselves out of a violent situation. And it's not oh, you're buns, oh, you're a pussy because you're scared to get into confrontation. It's no, some type of conversations don't need to dive that deep to the point where you're getting physical. Because one thing's for sure, it is barbaric and it's not intelligent. Because 9 times out of 10, people get violent during a conversation when they don't have the savvy comunicado. They don't know how to communicate on that level of proficiency to be able to explain or articulate what it is that's on their mind that they really trying to say. So because they can't win in that game, they gonna want to drag you into the next game, which is gonna be a fight. Some people hands work better than they could talk. So instead of talking about it, they just gonna want to fight you. Cause like, I feel whatever. You feel whatever, cause emotion could be whatever. You could feel sad, I want to fight. You could feel mad, I want to fight. Some people, I don't know. Some people get drunk and just want to fight. I don't know if that's joy or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But that's the main key ingredient, is to know your intentions when you're even speaking to whoever you're talking to. Whether it's a job interview, whether it's a parent, whether it's your parents, whether it's your friend, whether it's your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whether it's your situationship, your little side thing. The intentions matters first. So you want your intentions to bleed through your energy, right? If you want to fix things, you got to show up as a person that want to fix things. Don't show up as a motherfucker that's just trying to get their point across. That's not going to fix nothing. It don't fix nothing. It don't fix nothing. It don't fix nothing. It don't fix nothing. When it comes to our best interest, we have to understand how this shit works. Intentions. You don't have to have the right word, but you have to know where it's coming from, and it has to come from the heart. You gotta really feel that and believe that. So your intentions cannot be false. If it is false, it's going to be acting. I'm not saying you're incapable of doing it, because niggas can lie and act, and niggas are very can be coercive, right? So there's people out there like that, manipulators. You don't want to be a manipulator. You want to be real. You want to be true. You want them to feel, whoever you're talking to, you want them to feel how true you are to what it is you're going on. If you don't intend on a conversation going a certain way, you gotta make sure that you tighten up. And that way you'll be in self-control. So no matter which way the conversation will go, you can always redirect it back to, okay, look. Feel me? Look, we're not really here for that, we're here for this. I'm not even gonna get into that. I'm not gonna touch on that. Get into this. And that's discipline. It's not weakness, it's discipline. You gotta know what you're doing. You gotta know what you sign up for. And definitely you gotta stand on the things that you do say. That's the most important thing. So I'm out. Talk to y'all again.